Welcome back Auto Cars. Here's a detailed content strategy and full review for your 2025 Chevrolet Corvette. Video title: 2025 Chevrolet Corvette Full Review, Design, Performance, and Features. Video description: discover everything you need to know about the 2025 Chevrolet Corvette. In this full review, we take a deep dive into its stunning design, powerful performance, advanced features, and cutting-edge technology. Whether you're a Corvette enthusiast or simply in the market for a high-performance sports car, this video will give you an in-depth look at what makes the 2025 Corvette a true icon. Don't miss it. Watch now and experience the thrill of the all-new Corvette. Chapters: 0 o'clock, Introduction. 110, Exterior Design. 345, Interior and Technology. 620, Engine and Performance. 9 o'clock, Driving Experience. 12:15, Safety and Driver Assistance. 14 o'clock, Pricing and Verdict. Subscribe for more car reviews. Video highlights. 1. Exterior Design, Aggressive Styling, New Color Options, Carbon Fiber Accents, and Aerodynamic Improvements. 2. Interior Features, Premium Materials, a redesigned cockpit, a new infotainment system with a larger touchscreen, and more comfortable seats. 3. Performance Specs, High-performance engine options. LT to V8, Z06 version with a flat-plane crank V8, acceleration times, and handling capabilities. 4. Driving experience, on-road performance, track capabilities, and driving modes. 5. Safety and technology, advanced driver assistance systems, digital cluster, heads-up display, and connectivity options. 6. Pricing and verdict, base price, optional packages, and how it compares to rivals. 2025 Chevrolet Corvette, Corvette Full Review, 2025 Corvette Performance, Corvette Z06 Review, Chevrolet Corvette Interior, 2025 Sports Cars, Corvette Specs, Chevy Corvette 2025, Hashtags, Chevrolet Corvette Corvette 2025 Sports Car Review Corvette Z06 Chevy Corvette. If you want, I can also provide a full written article or script for this review. Just let me know. Thank you. My YouTube channel, please subscribe me.